I'm John Null, and I'm with Vantage Controls, and I'm the Director of Specification Sales. So Vantage is a architectural dimming company. We do high-density dimming. We can do dimming with forward phase, reverse phase. We have DMX and dolly controls, and we can do both DMX and dolly simultaneously. This is a network-connected device. But we can control this through our touchscreens or through a variety of tasks, control a variety of color lightings and also dolly loads. Okay, this is our high-density architectural dimming panel. This, these two dimmers here are 12 loads of forward phase control and 20 amps for each load, so it's a very high-density dimming with this. This is our brand new universal dimmer, so it can do forward or reverse phase dimming, and it can be selected using a dip switch. It has full protection from any sort of miswiring or other kinds of mishaps. This is our relay module here, and then this is our controller. The controller is connected over the Ethernet. The program resides on an SD card. And very powerful. Has 5 RS-232s and 2 RS-485s on this, so it gives you a good ability to integrate with other systems, at the same time doing very good high-density dimming. Over here we're showing 0 to 10 and forward and reverse phase controls as well. So this is a small panel, dimming panel for area controls. And these are our LVOSs. They are 0 to 10, 4 0 to 10 loads on each one. And then these are power boosters, one for forward phase and one for reverse phase. And in the bottom here we have all of our networking gear, PoE, and so on, that interfaces directly with our touchscreen. So this is really a pre-configured solution for, say, a restaurant or hotel meeting room or some other hospitality application. These are pre-configured commercial lighting control panels, but Vantage also can do a fair amount of integration through our controller. Our controller is connected to the Ethernet, and it has RS-232 and RS-485 integration capabilities. And what you can do with the integration, once you have it, is through our touchscreens, our EQ40, our EQ73, or our EQ41. As you can see, there's a number of different widgets across the touchscreen. This first widget is really a scene widget, of course, then a weather widget, a thermostat widget, a camera widget, and then a shade widget. There can be up to 12 different widgets on here. So for instance, we have timer widgets and a variety of other audio and video widgets that can control various controls within, or various other objects within the space. The interesting thing is that you can create profiles within the space, so they can be a person, they can be a place, they can be a time of day. So for instance, in a restaurant it could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then also the end user can also create their own scenes, modify scenes, change the order of scenes, and so on. So there's a fair amount of end user control within the system to be able to create and manage their system without having a programmer come in and reprogram the system. Also, through the mobile app, you can, and the touchscreen, you can create different profiles. They can be time of day, they can be person, they can be place. So in this case, we have one for the manager of the restaurant, we have the restaurant itself. At the same time, the manager can manage the thermostat schedules. They can create new scenes. They can create, add new lighting loads to a variety of scenes, and so on. So here I'm showing how they can actually manage the schedules of the thermostat in the space. So there I just showed you how you could quickly change the thermostat setting. And the mobile app works exactly the same way. So here I can, for instance, add new scenes, add new lighting loads to those scenes, and so on. So that's the Vantage system in a nutshell. Architectural dimming system with a good amount of integration and very nice user interfaces. So to conclude, Vantage Controls is a very powerful architectural dimming system with good integration with other systems, a very nice user interface capability, and you can visit us at vantagecontrols.com, and thank you very much for your time.